everybody. Here we got our new rally car. Picked it up off Facebook Tuesday. Got it for $600. Give a quick overview on it. It's a SVT 2003 Ford Focus. Super clean. Guy just needed to get rid of it because he was moving, so we capitalized on a good buy. Clean inside and out. The only downside is it's got something wrong involving the engine. It's losing coolant, so we think it might have a blown head gasket. So we're going to evaluate to that, diagnose the problem. Maybe even fix it today, hopefully, so we can take it out and get some good rips on it. But yeah, he's got this wrap on it here. He really wanted it to be a rally car. It's pretty cool, actually. It's not in the best of condition, but nonetheless, it's not too bad. Pretty pumped about getting this started. Go ahead and pop the hood and show you guys what we got going on under there. We did a little bunch of DIY things on it, so it's not perfectly built, but that's the point of starting this series, is we're going to go through and fix everything he did wrong, fix everything that is wrong with it, and just have a good time with the car. This is the 2-liter SVT motor that Ford put in these. I believe it's a forged bottom end. They're not boosted. I think they might have been boosted over across the pond, but here in the States they were never boosted. So we plan on eventually boosting it, probably do a battery relocation to the back, maybe build some cool parts here and there. We are engineering students, me and Nate, the guy behind the camera, so we plan on maybe applying some of the stuff we've learned and using the equipment on campus to maybe 3D scan some of this stuff and 3D print some parts and whatnot using the machine shop there. We're actually going to pull the head off and evaluate the head gasket, and we're going to take the head up to campus and make sure we can put it on the table up there, make sure it's not warped or anything, and if it's not warped, we'll put it back together today.
Let's do it. What are you doing, JC?
I'm pulling off this guard for the lower drive unit. As far as the pulleys go, probably gonna have to pull this wheel off.
Yeah, probably best bet. Alright, for those of you just tuned in, about to pull the head on this car. Got to pull the belt off, exhaust manifold. Maybe if we're lucky, keep the intake manifold on and pull it off as one, but we'll see, right?
Well, there we go, bud. It's getting closer and closer to pulling this head off.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What all we got left?
I just need to pull this water pump line, and then we can pull motor mount and pull the timing belt off. And I think we'll be ready to open the valve cover up and pull the head studs.
Pimpin'.
And then we can finally see what we're working with.
Brake fluid.
Your what?
My exhaust fluid.
Exhaust fluid.
Muffler bearing on. Things fucking all wallered out.
Yeah, I went to go pick up some blinker fluid yesterday. I just kind of looked at me funny. What are you doing? Changing your oil?
Dude, I don't think I can even focus.
Those of you who don't know, that's your oil filter. That's oil.
That's all.
This is Jacob. About your exhaust leak, Jacob.
I don't even know what that is.
What are you doing?
Dude, don't worry about me.
You
Mind your own
did
business.
you spill some oil?
Nah. This is my throat from last night.
Oh no, Bogey, don't lick it. Oh yeah? Is there night set up? What's happening, JC?
Well, I think we're ready to put the head back on.
Oh yeah?
Yep. Cylinders cleaned out for the most part. Don't want to do too much with them because, after all, you don't want to damage the walls. Get her all wallered out.
It's looking good. Almost looks brand new, other than the valve a little dirty. That looks like some bad fluid, huh? Alright, well, guess let's get it in there.
Getting this thing ready to go back together.